What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. So before we dive right in, I want to make sure you guys are subscribed. So if you aren't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell because we are cranking out some awesome videos and I do not want you guys to miss what's coming up. We have a lot to talk about, a lot to see. So be sure you have your notification bell on and you're subscribed so you do not miss out on all this fun stuff. So the videos have obviously been a little scarce lately, and it's honestly just because I'm waiting on parts. Literally what we have to do next is not in yet. Our rocker panels, it's just been 3 months of trying to find them. We bought them, got refunded like 3 times, so crossing our fingers again for these rocker panels to come, because we do have our cab corners in already and we'll be good to go. The rest of the cab can be painted. You guys, I'm trying to build this thing in this little garage. Ryan is literally painting in the corner with all of my stuff wrapped up in here, so we're just kind of working around what we can. It has been a crazy couple of months and weeks, and I just have to say thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for being patient for those that are. I obviously want this truck done just as bad as everybody else does, so bear with us. With all that being said, we're gonna take a little trip back down to Columbus to get some more of my parts painted. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. little bit of a different situation. I got my whole truck sitting here, but you guys, we're just working with what we got because that's all that we can do. And next up is the cab, so we'll be working on that in my next few videos coming up. Like I said, I'm just waiting for some parts to show up so we can get this build all wrapped up. So with those parts done, that just leaves us with the cab and our rear doors. So definitely stay tuned for my next video. We'll be taking care of the rest of the bodywork, like rocker panels, cab corners, and I guess we'll go from there. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the little bell so you're notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.